To start your 3D model in SketchUp, if you have your base drawing in AutoCAD, it would make your life much easier. Here I have my AutoCAD drawing, so I kind of make it a little bit simplify, so I remove some room so I can do it faster, but the steps are the same. So to start the process, I would go with isolate. So I isolate my exterior wall, interior wall, and my windows. I don't need doors, I don't need furniture, fixture. For now, I just want to build the walls. I press spacebar, and that's it. I have everything that I wanted. Then select them, Control C, open a new AutoCAD. Make sure you don't have any layer, you don't have anything in this drawing. So because here I have some stuff, I erase them all, and see when I go here there is no layers, and if I zoom extend there is nothing to see. Control V here. If when you click on this plus you see you're drawing your template and you have many layers, my suggestion, go here, go to new, and I would go with CAD, ACAD DWT. So if you open it, you shouldn't see anything there. Then Control V and bring the drawing here. Then I would go and save as. I would save it on desktops. You save it on the folder related to your project, and I would name it, for example, SketchUp Base. You can name it the project that you're working, SketchUp Base, so you can find it easily. Save. Now what I would do, I go back to the original drawing, unisolate. See, this one is isolate, this one unisolate. They are part of the layer tab, because I would need information later on. I need to know what's the height of the room, the baseboard, the height of the door, the placement of the windows. I go back and open a brand new SketchUp. I go here, import, select AutoCAD, and select the CAD drawing from here. Always check options to make sure this is inches, and that's it. Import. This is normal, it gives you some information. Just close it and you have your CAD imported to SketchUp. Before doing anything, I would check some information, some dimensions, because I want to make sure that I did it right. So if I go back to my drawing, I use dist, DI, spacebar, and I measure anything that you know or you want. So for example, the thickness of this interior wall is 5 inch. So I go back to SketchUp and I just check this thickness. So I type T, measuring tape, grab from here to here, 5, that's perfect. It means that I have my drawing imported to SketchUp in the right scale. Now, because I don't want to delete anything by mistake, okay, I click on one of my line. First of all, I check if it's a group, and it is a group. If it's not a group, select them all, make it to a group. But this is a group, so I just click once, right click on it, and I would lock it. So I do not delete my plan by mistake. Next, I start the rectangle command, and I redraw all the rectangles. Ignore the windows and openings. See, I don't stop here. This is one wall. I go all the way to here. From this corner, I go all the way to here. I'm ignoring all the openings and windows. So this is normal. When any surface closed, SketchUp would make the surface, but you have to make sure that you have all the walls. See here, when I click here, I see this wall, but when I click here, there is no wall there. So I continue with drawing walls. See, this wall is starting here and going there. This one start here, and see, there is a piece of wall there. It means that I have to go all the way there. This one from here, see, never stop there, never stop here. This is a one continuous wall from here to here. Then what about this one? Again, when I see this part, it means that this wall, it won't stop here, it goes all the way there. There is a bulkhead above all the openings. So this one, I go all the way here. See, I do not continue because there is nothing there. It means that this wall stopped there. Then this one, stop here. See, there is nothing here. This one, if I go here, how do I know that I'm not continuing it? Because there is nothing there. I have to stop here, and this one from here to here. So in one point, it's getting a little bit confusing if I have all the walls or not. So it's really simple. Click inside each wall, and when you see that wall is separated from the rest of the drawing, it means you have it. So I put my finger on the delete button on my keyboard, and I just move around. See, I check, this two is good, this one, there is a division, these two are good. Oops, I select the surface, not the line. Then I go this way. See, this is perfect. I just delete the division. Here I can see these two are good. This one I just delete it. Continue here. See, when I click here, it means that there is no wall here. So I start the rectangle from there to there. Then when I click here, see again, this part, when I drew this wall, I stopped there. But as you can see, this wall is going all the way there. So again, I continue. This is perfect. Select the division, press delete. Select the division. See, any line that kind of divide two walls, I would delete. And continue with checking your drawing so you do not delete something by mistake. Then it would be hard to find the problem, which line you deleted. But if you go step by step, it's pretty simple. Here you go. If I go here, see, there's a division here, division here, here. This is perfect. And wait a second. So again, when I click here, it's clear that I forgot to add that wall. So I start a rectangle and I add that wall. Start a rectangle, add that wall. So I come back here, see, actually there is a division there, there is a division here, and here, this one, this one, okay. Now I look at the whole drawing. It seems that when I click once, all walls are selected. Oh, I guess I missed this one. So next step, I go back to my AutoCAD and I check the height of the room, 8'6". I use push-pull tool, bring it to 8'6".